Good morning, class. How are you? Going good? Okay. Children, we all love to have fun, right? Sometimes your parents stop you from doing something, but you love to do the same thing, okay? Because you want to go in the opposite direction, okay? You feel that doing something in the other way will make a lot of fun. You will get entertained with it, okay? So, same on the same topic, this poem is based. The title of the poem is Opposite Day. The opposite word itself signifies that doing something out of the way, going opposite. Okay, if somebody asks you to go on the right side, but sometimes for cheating or for sake of entertainment, you love to walk on the other side, right? You don't want to walk on the same side as somebody has asked you to do so, but you love to do in the other way. So, same is the case in this poem. The title of the poem is Opposite Day. Let's start. It's opposite day, it's opposite day. The day to do things in the opposite way. Okay, so the poet is talking about the opposite day, that it's a opposite day, and it is the day when you to do all the things in the opposite way. Like if somebody is asking you to sit down, you don't want to sit, you will stand. Okay, if somebody asks you to lie down, you will not lie down, instead you will get up. Okay, so you will do all the things in the opposite way. I wear my pants backward, my shirts inside out. Okay, so I'll not wear my pants in the correct manner, but I'm going to wear my pants backward. Okay, not in the correct manner, but in the opposite manner. My shirts inside out. Okay, I'll not wear shirt in the proper way, but I'll wear it in the other way. My shirts inside out means I'll not wear my arms correctly in the shirt as the arms are placed over there, but I'm going to place my arms in the opposite from outside to inside. I scream to talk softly, I whisper to shout. Okay, if I have to scream, scream means to shout loudly. Okay, if I have to scream, I'll not scream, instead, I'll talk softly. And when I have to talk softly, like when I have to whisper, I would like to shout. Okay, so all the things I'm going to do in the opposite day way because it's opposite day, right? So, if I have to wear my shirt in proper manner, I'll not wear in the proper manner, but I'll do the vice versa. Okay, I write with my foot and I kick with my hand. I stare with my eyes closed. I sit down to stand. So next opposite thing which I'm going to do is I write with my foot and I kick with my hand. Normally what we do, we kick with our foot and we write with our hand, but here I'm going to do opposite because it's opposite day. So I'll write with my foot and I'll kick with my hand. Okay, so you will enjoy doing that, right? Everybody loves to do. I stare with my eyes closed and sit down to stand. Normally we stare with our eyes open. Stare means to continuously look at something, okay? But here the case is opposite. I'm going to close my eyes with and stare, okay? I'll stare with my eyes closed. I'll not stare with my eyes open. Instead, I'll close my eyes and then I'm going to stare. I sit down to stand, okay? Okay, somebody has asked me to stand, but I will sit down. Okay, when somebody has asked me to stand, I'll not stand, I will sit down. I'll do the opposite. I drink from a plate and I eat from a cup. Generally, what we do, we drink from a cup and we eat from a plate. But here, I'm going to do the other way around. I'm going to drink from my plate and I'll eat from a cup. I climb into bed when it's time to wake up. Okay, when it is time to get up from the bed, that time I'm going to climb into my bed. Okay, so I'll do all the things opposite in the opposite manner, and everybody will love to do that. Everybody enjoy the mess. Okay, so you can also try, but just for a fun. Okay, don't disrespect your parents, just for a fun you can try with your friends for 2 minutes and you will come to know how enjoyable it is. Okay, but just for fun. Okay, go through the poem and understand the meanings of each line. Thank you so much.